Hello, good morning students. Today also we are going to do three-dimensional geometry. Today we are going to discuss about some point like angle between two lines, condition for parallel lines, and then we will start exercise. So first we are going to discuss about the angle between two lines, Hector form. The angle theta between two lines, are equal to factor a1 plus lambda m1 and are equal to factor a2 plus mu m2 is given by cos theta equal to modulus of m1 dot m2, this is dot product, m1 dot m2 divided by magnitude of m1 into magnitude of m2. Angle between two lines whose equations are r equal to a1 plus lambda m1 and r equal to a2 plus mu m2. Then angle between these two lines is given by this formula, cos theta equal to modulus of m1 dot m2 by magnitude of m1 into magnitude of m2. So this modulus sign will give actually the acute angle between the lines. Then Cartesian form to find angle between two lines. The angle theta between two lines, x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2 is given by cos theta equal to modulus of a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 divided by root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So this is the formula to find angle between two lines when the equation of the lines given. Condition for perpendicularity of two lines. The two lines x minus x1 by a1 equal to y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1 and x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2 are said to be perpendicular if a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 equal to 0. The direction ratios of the first line are a1, b1, c1, and the direction ratios of the second line are a2, b2 and c2, a2, b2, c2. If a1 into a2 plus b1 into b2 plus c1 into c2 equal to 0, then the lines will be perpendicular. Okay. So this is what equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to a vector m, passing through a point whose position vector is a and parallel to vector m. This is Cartesian equation and this is vector equation of same line. If the line passes through x1, y1, z1 and parallel to a vector ai plus bj plus ck, then this one will be the Cartesian equation, x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 equal to z minus z1 by c. And this is what equation of a line passing through two points. If the line passes through 2 points a and b, suppose position vector of a is vector a, position vector of b is b, then its vector form will be r equal to a plus lambda b minus a. This one will be vector equation of this line. And if the coordinates of a are x1, y1, z1 and b are x2, y2, z2, then its Cartesian equation will be this one, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Okay.